Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. This video is continuation of previous video of 7th standard's first lesson, that is number system. In previous video you have learned about the decimal number system, binary number system and different types of number systems. In this video we are going to see what is LSD, what is MSD and some more examples of converting decimal number system into binary number system. So let's start the video. Students, in mathematics you have already learned about decimal number system, and the decimal number system is positional value system. Okay, you have learned about the places of unit places, tens places, hundreds, thousands and so on. Now let us see what is LSD. Dear students, in decimal number system, the rightmost digit has the lowest weight and hence it is called as LSD. And LSD stands for least significant digit. LSD stands for least significant digit. Remember this. Let us see the example of LSD. In the number 2142, that is 2142, the number 2 at the rightmost place is LSD. I have underlined that digit. You can see here this 2 has the least significance in mathematics or in decimal number system. So it is called as LSD. LSD stands for least significant digit. Now let us see what is MSD. In decimal number system, the leftmost digit has the highest weight and hence it is called as MSD. MSD stands for most significant digit. MSD stands for most significant digit. Remember this also. Now see the example. In the number 5368, the digit 5 at the extreme left is MSD. Now you can see here, this is the example 5368 and the digit 5 at leftmost position or at extreme left. This 5 is at extreme left. After this there is no any digit at left side, so it is extreme left position and this digit is called as MSD, most significant digit. Now let us see the example of converting decimal number system into binary of 3 digit. You can see the first example, the number is 142. As you can see, the base value is 10, means the number is decimal and we have to convert it into binary. The base of binary number system is 2. You know that already. Okay, now what you have to do over here is you have to continuously divide that number in order to get the binary value. So 142 divided by 2. So what is the answer? Answer or division is 71. 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2. 71 is the division and you have to make an arrow and write the remainder. Now when you divide 142 by 2, the division is 71 and remainder is 0. Nothing remains. Now divide this 71 by 2. 71 by 2. 2 3s are 6. 1 is remaining. Here you have to write 1 carry and 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So 35 is the division and 1 is the remainder. Okay. Now divide this 35 by 2. 35 by 2. We know that 17 2s are 34 and 1 is the remainder. Divide 17 by 2. 2 8s are 17. 2 8s are 2 8s are 16. Pardon, 2 8s are 16 and here is 17. So 1 is the remainder. Divide this 8 by 2 again. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8 and 0 is the remainder. Because here is the complete division. You can see there is a complete division. 2 4s are 8. Divide this 4 by 2. 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4 and nothing is remaining. That is why 0 is the remainder. Divide this 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2. Correct? 2 ones are 2. Okay? And here 0 is the remainder. Now students, when at this place 1 is remaining or 1 is finally coming, you have to stop the procedure. Fine, and count from bottom to top. Start counting from bottom. So the equivalent binary of 142 is 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0. So this is the equivalent binary of 142. Now next number is 356 decimal. You have to convert it into binary. Start dividing by 2. Okay, 356 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 1 is the carry. 2 sevens are 14, 1 is the carry, and 2 eights are 16. So 178 is the division and nothing is remaining, that is why 0 is the remainder. 178 divided by 2. Now 2 eights are 16 and here is 17, that is why 1 is the carry. 2 nines are 18, so 89 is the division and 0 is the remainder. Divide this 89 by 2. What is the answer? 2 fours are 8. Again 2 fours are 8. Now 44 twos are 88 and 1 is the remainder because here is 89 and 44 multiplied by 2 is 88. That is why 1 is the remainder. You have to write the remainder over here. Divide this 44 by 2 again. 22 twos are 44. 0 is the remainder. Divided by 2. 11 is the division, 11 twos are 22 and 0 is the remainder. Divide this 11 by 2 again. 2 fives are 10. Students, 2 fives are 10 and hence 1 is the remainder over here. Now see, divide this 5 by 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4 and that is why 1 is the remainder. Okay. Now divide 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2 and 0 is the remainder. Now when 1 comes at this point, you have to stop the procedure. Okay, and start counting the numbers from bottom to top. So the equivalent binary of 356 is 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. That is what I have written over here. So I hope you understood this session. What you have to do is you have to solve few more examples of converting decimals into binary. So these are your assignments. Convert these numbers into binary. So let me write over here binary. You have to write in this way equivalent values. Alright. So I hope you understood today's session. In case of any queries or doubt, feel free to ask me. Thank you.